Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel High Tech Analytics Solutions. This is complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is the 13th video of this series. In this video, you'll be learning about simple DAX functions find. So let's understand what this find function will do. So for that, we'll go to our Power BI window and we'll see how this find function will work. Now let's take an example of this customer name. I want to find where the space position is available. Find is actually used to find the position of a given text or a word. Let me click on this new column, and since I want to find the space position of customer name, so I'll go here, say cust name space equals find. When you just press tab, you can see that there are so many parameters. So first parameter is find text, double quote space, double quote. The second parameter is within text. When I say within text, on which text we are trying to search. So we are searching on customer name, comma. It lasts for the start position. Since we need to search from the beginning of the text, I'll mention it as 1, and suppose if the space is not found, so we'll give 0. That means the value will be 0. Say the result what we get will be 0 if there is no space. When I press enter, you can see we get the position of the space. So this is a very simple function. So in detail with more advanced examples we'll be learning in the coming videos. Right. The next topic we'll be learning about the simple DAX function format. So if you're looking for a better career in data analytics, please contact us with the number and the email given on screen. And also you can visit us on www.itsinc.in website. And if you're still not following us, please do follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. And all the links have been mentioned in the description below. You can use those links and you can follow us. And I hope this video is useful for you, and also I guess that you would have liked this video. So please give a like, and also please do share this with all the people who are actually in need of this DAX series. You can also comment your suggestions in the comment box. You're most welcome for that. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.